Welcome to another video on the latest updates in Power BI. Let's begin with a new announcement. Power BI Desktop is no longer supported on Windows 7. You can still use Windows 7 with the existing Power BI Desktop version, but whenever you upgrade this version, it will not work. It will work only on Windows 8 or newer versions of Windows. And here is the latest versions of Microsoft Power BI, that is 2.31.901.0. Let's pick the various areas in Power BI where we have the latest updates. First of all, modeling. In modeling, we have enhanced row level security editor. Let's see what does it mean. Let's head back to Power BI and see the enhanced version of row level security editor. We are in Power BI. You already know that when we have to apply row level security, we have to go to modeling and manage role. In that, you can see the enhanced row level security editor, where we have already applied certain roles, that is Czech Republic users, Denmark users. I can add in Denmark user, I can add the different countries equal to, for example, Germany I can add, and you can see that there is something called the switch to DAX editor. When I click that, the corresponding DAX code is displayed. You can directly work on that, or you can also work on the default editor. Whatever modification I'm doing, for example, if I remove the Germany from here, you can see, you can switch back to your default editor, you can see that Germany is gone. So these are some latest updates that have been applied on this editor. The second update in the modeling is the DAX query view available with the live connectivity. What does it mean? Earlier, you could only use the DAX query with the import mode, but now DAX available for live connectivity as well. It potentially means you can now use DAX for live connections to publish a direct data import or direct query or composite semantic model in desktop. So this is the second update. The third update is you can add or update multiple measures in DAX query view. This can be handy to quickly format all your DAX formula at once. In DAX query, right click on the data pane and choose the quick query, define all the measures, click on the format queries. With this new feature, you can update multiple measures in one go. So these are the updates related to modeling in Power BI. Moving on, in data connectivity, Microsoft has added 4 new data sources. Now can be connected to Power BI to extract data directly to its existing and ever-growing set of data connectors. These are the Winster, Single Store, Smartsheet, and Building Connect. If your data lies in any of these data sources, this is going to be a very important update for you. In Power BI, if you go to get data, more options in that, you can search by, for example, Winster. You can see that a new data connector has been added, and also we have Single Store. Then we have Smart Sheet. Yeah, you can see that Smart Sheets have been added, and also we have Building Connected. So these new data connectors have been added in Microsoft Power BI. Moving on, few new visuals are added in App Source of Microsoft Power BI. First of all, Linear Gauge by PowerViz. A linear gauge is an advanced visual that is commonly used to display the progress against the set target on a linear scale with an Excel displaying range of visuals or percentage. You can see that we can add different patterns, or we can apply the filter for conditional formatting. So this is the visual that have been added, which is by PowerBiz. You can directly get it from App Source. The next visual is Power Gantt chart by Noah Silva. When you want to visualize your program and project schedule, you need a Gantt chart, but you don't want to be limited in any way. For that, a new visual have been added. You can check that. So this is the new visual in App Store, an App Source that you can directly get into Power BI. The next visual is Drill Down Map PRO by Zoom Charts. The visual location data on maps that are easy to explore on any device. explore data by country, city, or use the lasso tool to create the storable filters for custom regions. You can add pie charts on top of map to visualize the cluster of data. Pick the tile server of your choice and use rich formatting option to style the data. You can check that. So this is the new visual that have been added. You can also acquire this visual through the Power BI desktop. How to do it? You can check this section 9 video 59 for more details. And to have conceptual and practical understanding of row level security, check section 10 video 77. Moving on, we have a couple of more updates. If you are using the Azure map for your visuals, there a reference layer have been added. You can check it. It is a very good enhancement in Azure map visual. Also for paginated, now the paginated reports are directly integrated to Gateway API for data refresh, and a new icon map for Pro Power BI have been added. So these are the updates so far in Power BI. Thank you for watching this video and keep visiting this section for monthly and quarterly new updates in Power BI. Thank you so much.